Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to know your Roblox account password. So let's start the video. There is no option to view the Roblox app password here. So exit the Roblox app and follow my steps. First, open your phone setting. Scroll down and find the Google app here. Now tap on Google.
Subscribe
And
if you
then
like
tap
the video
Password Manager.
and finally sign out your Gmail
Now select
account.
Roblox account. Here you can see your password by clicking on I icon. Finally, I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.